Hello, my friends. Today we are continuing our multiplication skills, and we're going to continue to focus on the standard algorithm. I do have a survey for you to just show me what strategy you'd like. So far in class, we've learned 3 strategies. We have the associative. The associative is one where we broke apart 20 times 40, and we broke it apart by 2 times 10 times 45. And this was the associative property. And then we had the area model where we drew it using a table and we broke it apart. We had 20 times 20 and 0 times 40 and 5. Sorry. Then we took our top, we took our side, and we multiplied. This is called the area model. And then last, what we've been working on yesterday and today is the standard algorithm, where we line it up, we multiply our ones by our ones. So what I need you to do now is I need you to pause your video. I need you to go to Schoology for today. So today is day 1, week 13, sorry. And you're going to go in here and take this math strategy survey, just telling me your name and what strategy you like to use. So the associative, the area model, or the standard algorithm. So go ahead, pause your video and do that real quick, and then come back and we will continue learning all about the standard algorithm. All right, friends, thanks for going ahead and doing that. Just a reminder, the ice cream challenge, if you have free time or if your homeroom teacher has free time, you could be taking those quizzes to earn stuff for your ice cream sundae challenge. It ends the 27th and the 28th is our party. All right, you already have this in your pictures from yesterday, but if you want it again, take a screenshot of this lovely thing, multiplying all of our place values and all of that good stuff. So Mrs. Andrews is going to start. I have 62 times 28, and I'm solving for the variable of h. So what we do first is we just simply write our algorithm or our equation vertically, and then we multiply our ones by our ones. So 8 times 2 is 16. Now I can't fit 16 in one place value, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 6, and then I regroup that 1. Now I can multiply my ones by my tens. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 1 is 49. Can't fit 49, so I have to do a little regrouping. Notice when I regroup, I made the regrouping small and it goes above that place value. We don't want to put it in this place value. In this place value in the hundreds place, there's really nothing there. So now when we multiply our ones by our hundreds, we're doing 8 times 0 equals 0, plus 4 is 4. Now, my favorite part, we're going to kill that captain. We're going to drop that bomb, and we're going to sweep the deck. So now that we've swept the deck, that shows that we don't get confused with those regrouping. Don't erase them, because when I check your work, I'll get confused. Now I can multiply my tens by my ones. 2 times 2 is 4. My tens by my tens. 2 times 6 is 12. So I put my 2 down and I regroup or carry that 1. Then I'm going to do my tens by my hundreds. 2 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 1 here. Sorry that it's not the same size. I don't want you to get confused. Now I go through and I add them all up. So we're going to add 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 4 is 13. I can't fit 13 there, so I'm going to regroup the 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then last I have that 1 in the thousands place. So we should have a value of h. I have to rewrite it, or my friend Finnegan gets mad at me. I have to rewrite it. H equals 1,736 for my value of h, okay? All right, friends, we're going to do one together now. Our next equation is 76 times 24, and we're solving for I. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause your video and just do that first step of lining up your place value. Awesome. Hopefully you have the ones above the ones and the tens above the tens, and you are nice and neat about it. Now we can go ahead and multiply the ones by the ones. So 6 times 4. If you'd like to pause your video and go through just trying to solve it on your own and check back, and then you can see how I did it. All right, so 6 times 4, or my ones by my ones, is 24. Can't fit 24 in here, so I have to put my ones, and then I regroup that group of 2, those tens. Now I'm going to do my ones by my tens. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30. Can't fit that in here, so I have to regroup, remembering that I make that regroup up here cute and small, and it goes on top of the place value. The number that's technically in the hundreds place is 0, okay? Now I can multiply my ones by my hundreds. If I had a number over here, I would multiply my ones by my ones by my tens, my ones by my hundreds, my ones by my thousands, and if it was a bigger number, I would keep repeating that process of just multiplying the ones by the next place value. So 4 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. Here we go, my favorite step. Kill the captain, drop the bomb, sweep that deck. Now that we've gotten rid of those regrouping, we can go ahead, and multiply our tens by our ones. So if you notice, because we have a 0 here, really what we're multiplying, friends, is 20 times 6. So 20 times 6 is 120. So I would put my 0, right? Here's my 0, and then I'd put my tens. That's why it's over a place value, okay? Now we can go ahead and multiply our tens by our tens. So 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Can't fit that, so I need to regroup. And 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So over here I have my 1. Now we get to add them all up. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1, giving us an answer or a value of I of 1,824. Okay? Hopefully you did that one correctly. Let's go on to our next one. So this one, I had a student solve it using the area model. The area model. And they just didn't finish. So I was wondering if you could help me finish the area model. Remember, the area model, we break it apart, and then we take our top, we take our side, and we multiply. If you're someone that does not like the area model, maybe you like the standard algorithm, what I would do is I would solve this using the standard algorithm. Okay, check back with me that you have an answer. So I want to see your correct answer. If you're someone that likes the area model, well, they already did a few of the steps for you, so you can go ahead and finish it for them. All right, so thank you for pausing your video and going through and solving for this y. If you did this correctly, you should have had an answer of y equals 1,836. They had to go ahead and take the top, take the side, and multiply. 5 and 3 is 15. Add my 2 zeros. Take my top, take my side, and I multiply. Take my top, take my side, and I multiply. And then we added them all up. Okay? All right, friends, before we move on, I just want to give a reminder to those that did yesterday's Superstar question. Obviously, this isn't for a grade. It's just to see if you're up for a challenge. The question was 465 times 23. I just wanted to give you the answer to that. It was 10,690. Thank you for those that always take on that challenge. I appreciate it. Today, what you're going to do before you practice those math facts or do the ice cream challenge, so you're going to go to today's math folder in week 13. Today is December 8th, and you'll find your exit ticket in there. Your exit tickets needs to be completed on Notability. You need to show all your work. Now, today we did the standard algorithm, and yesterday we did the standard algorithm. So guess what I want to see you solve this with? The standard algorithm. So there's two problems for you. And if you have time or if you want to try it, go ahead and try the Superstar. It's completely optional. You don't have to. Once you've done this, you will submit it back to Schoology. Don't forget, if you didn't already, that you went at the beginning of class and you completed this survey, just telling me which strategy you like the best, okay? All right, friends, good luck with your exit ticket and thanks for working hard.